John Van Leiden, New Zealand, Sotheby's International in Palmerston North. Here we are in the hospital location, number 28 Langston Avenue. It is tree-lined. It is extremely popular as a lovely neighbourhood, but more importantly behind me, 1,085 square metres of beautiful section, treed, bird life, everything's here. But a superior bungalow, 236 square metres. It's drop dead gorgeous inside. There's no question about that. Two beautiful living rooms, ornate ceilings, LED light windows, 4 bedrooms, ensuite and bathrooms that are upgraded to the minute, and just a feel like no other. Let's have a little wander through. Well, beautifully heated, warm and toasty, well insulated. You just don't get them like that in the character market. But this home, superb. Nothing more than that can be said about a home. You'll need to call us nice and quickly because we've got all the living space here, all the location, and of course the quality is here and privacy. Call Michelle or myself today as quickly as you can.